Hello, how are you? I'd like to show you the process of my project and how it progresses. As always, after receiving the project from the client, I started by writing the brief and then moved on to researching the topic. Next, I start brainstorming ideas. First, I use cluster brainstorming and then I pair words together to explore different combinations. This helps me determine which combination works best in the end. The more ideas you generate, the more interesting the final result will be. Also, keep in mind that during this process, you don't need to spend too much energy on making the writing look perfect. Focus more on the sketches and drafts instead. We apply this process to both the logo name and the field it belongs. Do this process carefully and take your time with it because this is exactly what makes our designs unique and distinctive. Thanks why the brainstorming phase is so important. You can even read related books to enhance your creativity. Idea generation and creativity are skills that can be strengthened through study and practice. Here are some of the best books on this topic.